All right, guys, so what's going on, and welcome back to the channel. So if you guys remember way back when, put a clip here.
We had a little issue with my 6-liter. Man, this is crazy. Now, pretty much out. Let's see if we get this to focus. And so, let's see, that's where it starts right here. I think it, focus, and it runs all the way around and up in here, like right there.
I built this 6.0 to go into the car. It's got Summit rods with the big wrist pins. It's got the, so it's got, good rods and pistons in it. All right, just the rod and piston motor. This is a stock crank. I built this 6.0 a while back, but what happened was I never ran it because this right here had a crack in it. So what I did now, some of you say I may messed up, but the crack came around this side. So let me turn the light on. About right where that hole is, I drilled. That's where the crack is. So I drilled that hole there to attempt to stop it. And I drilled one on this side as well, right there. So that's where the crack spreads at. You can kind of see it. You can kind of see the crack right there. Here you can see it. All right, but what we're gonna do now, is I got a nickel rod, and I'm gonna get my TIG welder. I'm gonna heat this up a little bit, and then just weld it to try to fill it in. You know, it should be nothing that bad. It should be fine. It should be good to go. So all I'm doing is making this video for you guys to let you know, hey, don't be afraid to try stuff. So we'll see next year how this thing holds up, but some more cubic inches, 30 more cubic inches should do me very well. Yes. Then we got ourselves a block that'll hold some power. You can tell where it start pulling the impurities up out of it too. So all I gotta do is grind that down right here, flatten it back out with the surface, we'll be done. All right, guys, so I'm not sugarcoating anything. It's not perfect. You can tell where it started pulling the impurities up out of the cast iron, but that's a nickel rod and it should be good to go. All I need to do is grind down that front right there, and we're good. And then, now I'm sending this bad boy. I'm gonna send it. Worst that can happen is I put some RTV, cake it up right there for where the gasket go, and then good to go. All right, man, whether y'all like what I did, hate it, think I ruined the block, I'm telling you, there's a lot of people that think I ruin things. I never forget. I may go back and try to find it, a thread. People say I ruined my anti-roll bar by welding a knuckle onto it. And what do you know? I went 125 60 foot with that same anti-roll bar that I welded knuckle on. So moral of the story is, don't be afraid to try stuff. If you mess up, it is what it is. You learn from it, you move on. You don't make the same mistake twice. So I wanted to try to weld my cast iron block. Got me a nickel rod, preheated it up a little bit, and just sent it. Only one way to find out if it's gonna hold. I do have a diaper on the car though. I just wanna let y'all know that there's a diaper on my car. All right, y'all comment, like, and subscribe.